Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I just haven't had much time to get out and fish. I'm going back up to my front pond, but I'm going to do something a little different. I do have my soft plastic worm with the swirly tail at the end on my spinning reel, but I also have a smaller hook and I have some night crawlers, and we're going to try to catch some bluegill. And I got a couple last night. However, my memory card filled up, so I did not get any of that on tape. So hopefully we'll catch some before the sun goes down here, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, well apparently I was not recording before, but that's okay, I didn't catch any fish yet, so... Alright, so I'm working a soft plastic with a tail on the end, 2/0 hook, with a bullet weight, and I have a night crawler on this guy. So before we move down, I'm trying to catch some bass down there. Let me see if I can get anything. This thing. So I just have a big night crawler on the end of this little tiny J hook. Alright, I'm gonna throw this guy over by the base of the fountain because I always assume that there are fish hanging out there. Alright, let's go. Alright, we'll put this guy here. I'll kind of fish around him. Go after it now. Let's see if we can get something over here. Man, where are these guys? Now, I'm gonna go see if I can pull it across this tube here. I swear that's where the big guy was hanging last time. Uh-oh. Get something. There. Oh, did it come out? Come out. Oh, God, I had something, dude. All right, let's see if we can get back out there. Fishies. Come on, fishies. We just want to catch at least one fish. Let's get the skunk off the board. All right. Let's get this guy out here. Ooh, hello. Alright, I got you. Alright, what do you got? Oh, we took it. Ah. Ooh, yeah, some fish are after it. Hey, we got one. We got a fish. Yep. Oh, we got a tiny little bass, dude. Tiny little largemouth. He's so tiny, but he's so cool. Look at this beautiful fish. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for helping us get that. Alright, let me put this guy back out there. Ooh, something's after it. Alright, something's on it. Yep, we got a little fish. Ooh. Here we go. Yeah, we got a little bluegill. What up, buddy? Yep. Got a little bluegill. Nice. Alright, dude, I'm just gonna keep putting these worms out here. Ooh, we got a fish. Ooh, that's a big tilapia, guys. Wow, that is a tilapia. Oh! He let go. Dude, that was a nice sized tilapia. Let's go. Let's get this guy right up. Let's check over here. We're running out of time here, folks. Ooh, hello. Yeah, we got one. Uh-oh. Did you get stuck? Did you get stuck? You did. Alright. 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 Yeah, little baby bass. Yeah, look at this beautiful little thing. Little baby bass. Later, buddy.